Here's how I made a 5-foot-tall DIY 1960s paper Santa in less than an hour. Amelia Robin used to design party centerpieces for Hollywood studios, starting with Disney. She invented a new kind of holiday decoration, a life-size 3D paper sculpture. Now we're digitizing the original Santa kit and reissuing it for this Christmas. When you get your Santa kit delivered, you'll get a full set of instructions. Read the instructions first. The instructions will show you what the finished Santa is meant to look like, and it will show you step by step how to assemble the numbered pieces. For example, the instructions will show you where you need to fold and where you need to insert tabs. After you've read the instructions, you're ready to go. You can unpack your kit and lay out the pieces in order. Each piece has its own number, which you can find on the tabs in yellow or red. You don't even need scissors, tape, or glue. And the best part is, you can take it apart after Christmas and reassemble it year after year.